Hey y'all, if y'all want to see how I got my hair in these beautiful braids, then keep on watching. Alright, so I bought the Freacher's Braid Deep Curl Boho Braids in 12" and I bought 6 packs and I used all 6 packs. And then I used some pink oil moisturizer to moisturize my hair, and then I used the braid and edge gel from the Dew to put around my edges only because I don't really use all that stuff like on my scalp for real. So yeah, and I did the illusion braid method. Honestly, this was one of the worst braiding foundations that I've done. Get the braid foundation right, but I was like, you know what, I'm only gonna have it up for 2 weeks, so I'm not doing it over. But y'all, it's been 3 weeks and it's still hanging on. It's still hanging on. So yeah, y'all, I don't know what I was doing. I don't know if I was trying to hurry up and finish, or I just didn't feel like it. And me not feeling like it is definitely a legit reason to why my braids probably turned out the way they did. And y'all, have done this braid pattern a couple of times, and yeah, I know how to braid, okay? But this right here look like somebody here who don't know how to braid. Anyway, it's all good because I did it myself and I ain't had to pay nobody, and it's week 3 and it's still going strong. So yeah, y'all know, as moms and stuff, man, we could be tired, we got stuff to do, we getting off work, it's the weekend, and the weekend like 1.2 hours. So yeah, me not feeling like it is definitely a legit reason. I was so excited about how the color was looking on me. I was like, yes, I had to do a little dance. But anyway, as moms and stuff, y'all, we tend to focus on everybody else, focus on, our kids, focus on what we need to get done, focus on folding clothes, focus on washing dishes. And, sometimes it's okay if you don't wash the dishes tonight. Sometimes, not all the time, because, you got to practice cleanliness. We have to practice like getting ourselves together, doing our hair, or going to get our hair done, doing our nails, or going to get our nails done. And I know, with kids and money be looking funny, but y'all, it's YouTube is out here. People teach you how to do your hair. I can name 3 people right off the back: Brandy K, Charlotte, Nicole. They can help you get them wigs together real quick. And my girl Adriana Russell, y'all, she do it all. Do the quick weaves, the sew-ins, the braids, all of that, crochets, all of that. So check them out if y'all want to learn how to do other things too. And of course, me, like, I'm gonna teach y'all how to do it. And I get it. Everybody don't know how to do no hair. Everybody don't want to do hair. Everybody don't want to put on a wig. And I understand that, y'all. And if you don't like to do those things, then hey, budget. Save your money so you can find somebody to do it for you. And then if you don't want to go to the nail salon to get your nails done because it costs an arm and a leg, then hey, they got press-ons out here, y'all. And if you don't know how to do press-ons, YouTube or TikTok. All I'm trying to say is pretty much is when you look good, you feel good. And when I say y'all, you feel good, y'all know how y'all be when y'all going to get y'all hair done. You feel like a whole new woman. So I'm just saying, like, if you can't do it yourself, budget, and budget. I just want you to feel better. That's it. And I'm going to challenge you to do better because, like I said, when you look good, you feel good. If you like makeup and that's your thing, girl, get on YouTube, learn how to do that makeup, because people are everywhere doing makeup. Find the people that you like and find the people that are using products that are within your budget. And sometimes, y'all, it's as simple as getting up and putting on some clothes. Because, when you get up and put on some clothes and your hair is halfway decent, you are the sugar honey iced tea. I believe in you. I believe you can do it. I know you can do it. So yes, girl, let's get it together. And I know this may be easier said than done for some, because you could just be going through a rough time in your life. And I just want to encourage you to hold on. Like, you could be someone who's going through a divorce and just had a baby. You could have just had a baby and don't have the spousal support that you need. You could be just a woman that's going through life and don't know which way to go, but I want to encourage you to put all your hope and your trust in Jesus. He's never going to leave your side. Never. Jesus said, "Come to me, all who are weary and carrying heavy burdens, and I will give you rest." He didn't say the world will give you rest. He said, "I will give you rest." So keep trusting, keep believing, and keep pushing. You got this. Alright, y'all, so I finished the front and I went ahead and started on the back. I did do my braid pattern pretty big this time because I figured with the boho braids the hair was gonna look bigger anyway, so that's how it looked. Honestly, y'all, I probably won't get this style anymore because I really didn't like it as much as I thought I would like it. I feel like if it was longer it would have looked better. I don't know, that's just me. Let me know what y'all think down below. So yeah, y'all, this is how my hair looked, and I just went ahead and grabbed the scissors and started chopping off just a little bit because I didn't have to cut much, just pretty much all the uneven pieces. Alright, y'all, so this is after I went and put on some clothes and got ready to go, y'all. I love my hair. At first I didn't think I was gonna love it because I was like, girl, all this hair, I really didn't want that much hair. But anyway, y'all, I ended up loving it. Some places did need more pieces of hair, but I did not add any. But anyway, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment down below and let me know if you're going to do your own crochet or not, or whether or not you like crochets or not. But anyway, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and definitely share. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.